Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how I made $1,300 by selling just one PDF file. And I was selling that PDF file on Gumroad. And maybe that is the best solution if you are a beginner because Gumroad is free. They will take some percentage from every sale that you make. And don't worry, this will also be a Gumroad tutorial. So first and really important thing is you need to offer something really valuable, something that people really need, but they cannot find it just anywhere. For example, I offered SEO checklist. Why? Because I know that many people who just created their blog or their website, they don't have money to pay for experts or agencies to do SEO for them. So I actually created a SEO checklist so they can know all the things that they need to do and how to do those things. I gave them tips and advices on how to do all those things that they need to do to rank on first page on Google. And everybody wishes to rank on first page on Google because in that way they will get free organic traffic, and that is the best kind of traffic. And here you can see how one of those SEO checklists actually look. I can click here and I can click here to check all the things that I actually already done. And here you can see there is entire SEO checklist that they can do. And when you go here on Google and when you search, for example, SEO checklist, you will see there is lots of articles offering you different kind of SEO checklists, but none of them is actually a real checklist, PDF checklist. They just give you tips and advices, and they're not giving you checklist. And that is why, like I said, I offered something valuable that they cannot find just anywhere. They can find it here on my checklist. That is why I was selling that. So let's just say that I wish to create this SEO checklist again. So if English is not your native language or you don't know how to write these SEO checklists, what you can do is you can simply go here on ChatGPT and you can give it a bullet points and tell it to write you this checklist. You can say something like this. Here you can see, write me an SEO checklist for these bullet points. And here I gave bullet points and simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will write this checklist, SEO checklist for me. Here you can see keyword research, title tags, meta description, URL structure, and so on and so on. So now when I have my SEO checklist, now I need to actually copy this. I will simply copy this, okay? And then I need to go here on Google Documents and I need to paste that here. Of course, you will make this much better. I'm doing this just to show you how to do this. And then I can simply click here on File and then click here on Download. And then here I can choose PDF document and I can download this as a PDF document. But even better option is to actually go here on Canva and to search here, for example, ebook marketing. Okay, and then press enter. And here you will find ebook marketing templates that you can use. So for example, let's just say I wish to use this one here. I will simply click here and then click here, customize this template. And I can customize this template any way I want. I can simply go back here on ChatGPT and I can simply copy and paste this here in this ebook template here on Canva. And after you finish, all you have to do is just click here on share and then click here on download. And then here I will actually choose a PDF standard. Okay. And then click here on download and I will download this ebook to my desktop. Now I will not show you how to edit this because I already showed you many times how to edit these things on Canva. Okay. So I don't want to show you the same thing over and over again. Okay. I don't want to waste your time. So next thing you need to do, you actually need to start selling this ebook on Gumroad. You need to list this ebook on Gumroad. In this case, this SEO checklist. So I will simply come here on Gumroad, and Gumroad is free. Registration is really simple. Now, here when you come on your dashboard, here you can see analytics. Analytics is good. As you can see, I don't have any sales on this Gumroad account, but here you can also see sales. Like I said, I don't have any sales on this account, but here you can see workflows. Workflows are really good. Basically, this is your autoresponder. You will get this autoresponder totally free here on Gumroad, so you can send emails to your mailing list. Also, here you can see emails. You can click here on new email and you can create a new email that you can send to the people who actually already bought something from you. And to actually list your product, you need to come here on products, and here you can see all your products. And what you need to do, you need to click here on new product. And then here you need to give it a title. And this is the title of my checklist. Here you can see the ultimate search engine optimization checklist. Here you can choose a product. Now this is a digital product because this is a PDF document, okay? Here you can choose ebook, course or tutorial, membership, physical good or bundle. Like I said, this is a PDF document, so this is a digital product. Here I will set the price, let's just say $2. Don't go too high on these kind of products. Digital products, you will sell them usually up to $10. Higher than that, people won't buy it because it is a PDF document, okay? Here you can choose currency. I will leave it as a US dollar. After that, just scroll here, click on next, customize. Okay, give it a second. Here you can see name, that is the title, and here I need to give it a description. So I can say something like this. For example, here you can see I added description. URL, I can choose URL of my product. I will just say, for example, SEO checklist, okay? Okay, I will just leave it like this. Custom domain, I don't have custom domain, so I will leave it like this, okay? Here I need to add a cover. Here you can see cover should be 1280 with 720 pixels, okay? So I will simply click here and computer files. I wish to upload it from my computer. So let me just find that. Okay, this is the cover. Here you can see in a second you will see how this actually looks. Here you can see how this looks. When I scroll here, I can upload thumbnail. Here you can see thumbnail need to be 600 by 600 pixels. Okay, I will click here from my computer and let me just find the thumbnail. This is the thumbnail, and in a second you will see how my thumbnail actually looks. Of course you can make better thumbnail and better cover. I will leave it like this, okay? Here call to action. Here you can choose I want this, buy this or pay. I will just leave it as I want this. Here I can add summary and here I can add more details. Here integrations, I usually leave it as it is. Pricing, leave it on $2 because I already set $2. Here you can see allow customers to pay what they want. I never allow customers to pay as they want. I set price and I stick with that price. Here you can add different variations. Here you can see different settings. For now, no need to do anything here, okay? And here I need to click on save and continue, okay? And then here I actually need to add my PDF document. I need to add my file. So I can simply minimize this and then I can simply drag that here, okay? And now I actually need to click here and here I need to add a description. Again, I will add description and I need to delete this, okay? I need to delete this, okay? You need to remove this. And here you can see how this looks. This is the document. When they pay $2, they will get this document and here they can see the description. Here you can see more informations and all you have to do after this, just click here on publish and continue, okay? And here you can see this is how it looks. I can share this on Twitter, I can share it on Facebook, or I can simply copy the URL, I can share this URL, I can send it to my mailing list, I can add it on my blog, on my website, I can also share it on Instagram and so on and so on. And I can start driving traffic and I can start selling this document. And like I said, Gumroad will take certain percentage from every sale. Now from $2 you probably won't make that much money because you will need to make lots and lots of sales. But like I said, if you offer something really valuable that people cannot find just anywhere, people will actually pay $5 or $10 for that PDF file and you will start making money. And like I said, this, as you can see, this is a simple Gumroad tutorial. It is intended for beginners. But you can make money online by selling just one PDF file. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.